Namaste, Hari Om. There are so many people who are struggling to lose weight, and there are so many who lose weight but they specifically want to reduce weight from their abdomen. And wherever I go, people say, "Oh, Acharya ji, tell me something that I can maintain my abs or I can make my abs." So now in this video today I'm going to share some very simple yogic practices which you can do every day to reduce your abdominal fat, and these practices are so effective that definitely if you practice it every day you will reduce abdominal fat. But there are few of these practices which shall not be done by those who are suffering from back pain. So if you are suffering from back pain, then be a little cautious about doing these practices. Otherwise everybody can do it and you will definitely see positive results. So let's learn straight away how to do these yogic practices. After mild warm up, we are going to do Padhastagati. For Padhastagati, stand straight, balance your body as shown in the video, and then spread your right arm and try to touch your right toe to your right palm, maintaining your body on your left leg. Now repeat the same movement from the left side. It has to be done 10 times from right side and then 10 times from left side. Then relax your entire body. You can do 3 repetitions. For next practice, spread your legs double to the width of your shoulders. Lift up your arms and join your wrist together. Stretch your entire body, exhale and bend forward. This also we need to repeat for 10 exhalations and 10 repetitions. This exhalation sound should come. One round is of 10 repetitions, you can do 3 rounds. Third practice is Agni Kriya. Sit in Vajrasan and exhale completely. Hold your breath out and give in and out movement to your abdomen as long as you can hold your breath out. When you feel like I'm not able to hold my breath out any longer, release the movement. Inhale through your nose. Just look at it once again. Exhale. Hold your exhaled position. Give in and out movement to your abdomen. Make sure that your body is bent a little forward throughout the practice and weight of your body is on your knees through your arms, especially through your elbows. You can do 3 to 5 repetitions of Agni Kriya as shown in the video. Make sure that movement of your abdomen is very prominent. Relax. For the fourth practice, lie down on your back. Lie down on your back, keep your spine straight, and just relax your body first. Then spread your hands and legs, and then exhale, lift up your body as well as fold your knees. Feel the effect of this practice at your abdomen. So look at the breathing. Exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale. 10 repetitions is one round. You can practice 3 rounds, but do not jump onto 3 rounds straight away. Begin with 1 round, gradually take it to 2 rounds, and then take it to 3 rounds. Make sure that you relax after each and every round of it. That means after every 10 repetition, relax your body. Patients of lower back or back pain shall avoid this practice. Now, fifth practice. Lie down in the same position. Inhale, and while inhaling, lift up your legs at 45-degree angle. Hold, exhale, and back. Inhale, lift up your legs. Feel the effect at your abdomen. Padottanasana this is. Exhale and back. We are going to do it 3 to 5 times. No much repetition is required. Your focus shall be on holding the posture rather than repetition, as it is not a gati, it is an asana. Sixth practice is a gati. Lift up your legs, same like Padhasta asana, and then fold them against your abdomen while exhaling. Exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale. 10 repetitions we are going to do, and 10 repetitions is one round. We are going to take it to 3 rounds. After completion of 10 repetitions, exhale and bring your legs down. Then repeat it once again. This practice also shall be avoided by lower back pain patients. If you have severe lower back pain or lumbar pain, you should avoid it completely. Rest everyone can do it. Make sure that your practice shall not be stressful, and do not be violent to yourself during any of the yogic practice. Be very moderate while practicing all the yogic kriyas. After completion of 3 rounds, which means 30 repetitions, but after every 10 repetition, you're going to relax your body. So after completion of 3 rounds, just relax, palms open towards sky, relax your entire body. For next practice, seventh, this is the second variation of Padhastagati. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. So while inhaling, lift up your legs at 45-degree angle. Exhale, press it against your chest. Inhale, spread your legs. Exhale, bring them down. But when you bring your legs down, do not touch your legs to floor. This is very important. So during entire practice of this gati, your legs are in the air and they're not touching the ground. After completion of 10 repetitions, you bring your legs down and relax. You can do 3 repetitions, 3 rounds of this practice as well. For eighth practice, we are going to do cycling with our both legs. Fold your legs and then try to make a big circle as shown in the video. So exhale, press your thighs against your chest. Inhale, make a big circle. Exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale. And this practice has to be done again for 10 times, which means 10 repetition is one round, and we are going to do 3 repetitions of this practice as well, but gradually begin with only one round. Focus on your breath and also at the effect at your abdomen. Now, relax. Now we are going to do same practice with anti-clockwise movement. Press your thighs against your abdomen and then make an anti-clockwise movement. Opposite circle, we call it in easy language. This also you're going to do 10 repetitions, one round, and gradually take it to 3 rounds and then relax your entire body. Do these practices every single day, empty stomach, preferably in the morning or in the evening, and begin with 10 repetitions of each practice. Then 10 repetition is one round. Slowly and gradually take it to 3 rounds and increase the repetition, which is important if you want to lose your abdominal fat. And consistency is very, very important. Sometimes we jump onto something, we started with so much of enthusiasm and then we skip it in between. This we shall never ever do. Make sure that you take out 15 to 20 minutes every day, and just in 15 to 20 minutes you can do 3 repetitions of each practice shown in this video. Stay healthy, stay happy. If you have any other question, any other query, do not hesitate to send it to us. Lots of love, light and blessings for all of you. Hari Om.